Those tabulated values of latitude and departures. Okay, so we're given a table, no? Okay, we have the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have a 6-sided polygon. Okay? So given nila the respective latitude and departure of each sides less. Okay, except so that the departure sa line 1, line 1, 2, and latitude sa line 6, 1. Okay, question. Okay, compute the MD of line 3, 4. Okay, question 2, compute the length of line 6, 1, 6 to 1. Question 3, compute the bearing of line 6 to 1. Okay? So, because the MD plus is double meridian distance, right? Okay, so we need to take this one. Ito na yung table. Button, ito na extend. Ito na yung gamay. And then, this is twice of the area. Okay? And then, the button, and then extend. Okay, so first of the button class, wala to ang missing values, no? Okay, hindi na yung missing value ulit. Okay, so since close ang atong kaning polygon, ang atong area, so kailangan ng total class, it should be equivalent to 0. Okay? So it should be equivalent to 0. So para ma 0 lang, okay, hindi calculate this one. Okay, add ito lang, and then times negative 1, i-value ulit. Ilan?
1.5 negative 1.1.
Ilan?
Negative 1.5.
Negative
151.
151. Negative ang answer? Negative. So times negative 1, so this is positive.
Negative na din, sir. Negative.
Negative na. So negative
151.
151.38.
38, sir. 38.
38. Okay, how about this one? It should be a total and difference is 0. So what will be the missing term missing value from the 0 niya total?
27.7.
That is
27.7.
positive na.
Yes, sir.
So positive 27.7. 27.7. Okay? So can you recheck? Okay, add that again. That teacher identified should be equivalent to 0. Okay, so ang atong button, we can DMD less. Ang value sa DMD is equivalent to the departure. Okay? Meaning, since first manila to. Okay? So ang atong button nila, since ang first manilas, okay, as per rule, ang DMD value of the first line is equivalent to the value of the departure. Diba? So therefore guys, this is positive 37. It's positive 37.7. So ang succeeding DMD nimo, although we will the distance, is equivalent, okay, to the previous DMD nimo values, okay, plus the departure nimo, plus the current departure. Okay? So ito ni button, so this is 37.7 plus this one and plus this one. What will be the value of this?
19.29.
Okay?
19.29.
Ano ba?
19.29.
Positive?
Yes, sir.
19.29.
29.
Okay, so buhat na buhat. Again, same lang. Okay? Kani, plus kani, plus kana. Ilan?
Negative
Negative
94.34.
94.34. Okay? Next. This one, plus kani, plus kani.
Negative 183.
Negative
183.
183.26.
26.
The next is negative 183 plus negative 31.4 plus 59.7.
Negatibo. 154.
Go ahead.
Negative 154.
Negative
154.
154.96.
96.
Okay? Negative 154.96 plus this one, what is the value of this?
Negative
47.63.
Negative
47.63.
Okay, so negative 47.63.
3.
Okay? So, ang rule test, kailangan ang last entity mo is opposite niya sign sa iyang equivalent departure. Okay? Para maka-determine ka sakto ka dili. No? Okay, so next button, so question 1 na to is what will be the value of the ending of line 34? The answer is negative 94.54. Okay? Sa po nila yung ipangita? Okay, compute the length of line 6 to 1. Okay? Compute the length of 6 to 1. Diretso na lang ta. No, mag-ipangitang area na yan. Okay? So, ang atong button, ayan, paano ito guys? Line 6-1. That is equivalent to the square root or distance, no? That is negative 151.38 squared plus 27.63 squared. That is the equivalent distance of line 6 to 1. What will the value of this one?
158.
Right? 158.7. Okay? Meter. So that will be your answer. Okay, question 3, compute the bearing of line 6-1. Okay, so since departure na to guys, departure means, okay, that is west or east, no? So kung positive din, so atubang sa class, or towards siya sa east nga direction. Okay? Ang value dito sa itong latitude test, sa 6 to 1, that is negative. So that is south. Okay, so ang atong bearing dire from 6 to 1, may kay 6 to 1, it should be southeast. Okay, na dire guys. Southeast. Okay, so ang latitude niya is negative 151.38. Ayan ako negative. And the departure is 47.63. Okay, so calculate the volume delta. Understand what will be the value of this one. Okay, can you make your answer degrees to minutes? Yes.
70.
This will be equivalent to
17.
south
70.
70, 17 degrees.
Percent. Days. 28 minutes. 28.
30, 28. Okay? Okay, minutes, and this is okay, so that will be the bearing of line 6 to 1. Okay? So kung, again, kung ipakalculate ang area class, okay, ang iyong hatol na rin, DMT times the latitude na yan. Diba? Okay, kani, times na na, okay mo na yung double area na yan. Applying 1, 2. And then, same procedure class, so both sides, and then total, okay? And then, kung wala ka sa total class, that is equivalent to the absolute of twice the area. Okay? So, wala na yung value rin ng absolute na it should be negative, it can be negative or positive class. Basta absolute value, divide of 2, okay, mo na equivalent sa yung area.